one thing. So I decided to give God a try. And he's so awesome. He brought me to what you see today. And I thank him for it. I have a beautiful family. I have my husband. But most importantly, I have God. So I'm truly thankful. And the song I'm gonna sing tonight is actually a redo or a remix, however you want to say it, of I Made It. And everybody in there has made it over something. Might not be what I made it over, but everybody don't made it over something. So I want to sing this track, and I hope that y'all, while I say I'm gonna pray, that y'all really like it. And once again, I want to thank Christy, the twins, Christy and what's the other one name? Where's she at? Thank you too. I thank y'all. But you can go ahead. I go ahead and do the track.